In this video, we're going to manage a natural gas leak incident using the units view. Now, there are several different ways that we can assign resources in Tablet Command. The easiest way is to simply tap, drag, and assign. So to do that, we'll long tap on Atom 12, we'll drag it over to the Add column side, a dialog box will appear when we drop it, and we'll type in the name. So we'll say TC South, Traffic Control South. We'll tap Save, and we see that it abbreviated it, but if we tap on the column, the full name will reappear. The other ways to assign resources involve the menu wheel. So if we long tap on Atom 51, the menu wheel will appear. So we're going to use the double arrow in the lower right side. So when we tap on the double arrow, a list of assignments will appear. We're going to use traffic, so we'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and we'll tap on traffic. Now we have an assignment for Atom 51. Now we're going to assign our fire resources. We'll long tap on Engine 111 and we're going to put it into a division. So we see D and G on the left hand side, so we're going to tap on D for division and we'll say Division A. So I'll type in A, I'll tap Confirm, and I have a division up and running. Now I'm going to add a group. So I'll long tap on Hazmat 111, I'll tap on G for group, I'll give the group a function, in this case air monitoring, so I'll say AM, I'll tap Confirm, and all of my resources are up and running